Hey, as you always know, I like to choose rooms that aren't quite what you would call the normal. Here on board the Norwegian Joy, I've went with an ocean view, but check this out. It's got a little bit of twist. Let's go inside stateroom 12102 here on deck number 12, absolutely forward of the ship. Come on in. Take a look at this. Of course, we have the desk, one large closet over here. You can fit all your nice clothes to go out, or one large content creator. Either way, lots of room. Large area right in front of the window where you can enjoy the sea, or if you'd like, you do have your bed. In my case, it's set up as a king size with plenty of room to sprawl out and just relax because, hey, you're on vacation. Let's get back to the tour. Welcome to my Oceanview stateroom here on board the Norwegian Joy. Look at all the space that we have in here. Lots and lots of space. In here, you could probably sleep 2 people. I do have a king bed here that does split into 2. That way you have 2 twin beds if you wish. A cool little lookout area that looks straight in front of the ship. We'll get to that here in just a little bit. But first, we're going to start off with the bed. It is a little more on the firm side. However, if you like a firm bed, you'll definitely get a good night of rest. Of course, you got a couple lamps on each side of the bed and a couple reading lamps, which is important. That way, if you don't want to keep somebody else up while you're reading a book, you don't have to worry about that. Over here, we do have like a little desk slash workstation. The fridge is going to be underneath that. I did put my bottles of water down there. So we're going to test here shortly how cold that actually is. In the desk area, of course, we have a hair dryer with not a very long cord, but we do have a hair dryer that is available. We do have this little like stool slash chair, and it has, well, on some ships previously, it had storage. This one does not. But first, let's go over here. One thing I would say about this room, there is storage everywhere. We have storage down here. We have storage over there. We have storage underneath the TV. There's storage underneath this bed right here. So we have lots of storage options here on board. Above the TV here, which, man, is that even a 32-inch? I'm not 100% sure. Let me know in the comments down below. What size TV do you think that is? It's not very big. But I do like how it pivots. That way you can make it comfortable for your viewing experience. Up above the TV, you got a little storage. That's where I place my other cameras. So you do have storage everywhere in this room. That is one thing that I truly like, is the amount of storage. And then of course we got a closet. It is pretty good size. We have a safe here. That way you can set your valuables inside there and you don't have to worry about those. And then on the other side here, you do have plenty of hangers. However, if you don't have enough hangers, you can always ask for more. That is definitely an option. Of course, we have a nice big window. Room 12102 does look completely forward of the ship. There is nothing ahead of us, well, inside the room. So we do have an unobstructed view. However, the downside to this room is at night, you do got to have these curtains closed because unfortunately, the light from here does shine up on the bridge above us and that could be distracting. So they do ask that you keep the curtains closed or they will send somebody to your room and they'll close them. So definitely keep that in mind. But at night, there isn't a whole lot to see out there. Or you could almost think of this like an obstructed ocean view. You just have certain times that you can use the windows and certain times you're not really allowed to. However, at night, I'm sleeping, so I won't notice the difference. And so we're gonna go over here to the bathroom. But first, I did want to make a comment. Do have AC control there. Of course, you can tell I crank it down. It's still a little warm in here, but we'll get there. I've already been locked outside of my room, so keep this in mind. You might use a different card than your room key. I used my room key, went outside, got locked out. So keep that in mind. Take your room key with you at all times. So into the bathroom we go. So here in the bathroom, it is going to be kind of your standard Norwegian bathroom. Of course, you got a toilet, a vanity slash sink, and then the shower. Of course, we have the plexiglass door, no shower curtains. I make a big stink about it, but I'm not a big shower curtain person. They stick to you and water gets everywhere. This way it doesn't. But in here you do have, I think to me it'd be plenty of room. I'm 6'2", 290 pounds, and there's plenty of room in here for me. And the only thing, wish the shower head went a little higher, but that's okay. We're not gonna worry about that as much. Here shortly we'll test out the water pressure. It's not quite laundry day. I did get a little chocolate on my shirt. We're not talking about that yet. We'll worry about that here in a little bit, but we do have, of course, body wash, shampoo. If you like checking out interesting rooms on different cruise ships and resorts around the world, or if you like cruise ship or resort tours, definitely hit that subscribe button because there's a lot more where this came from. So in a small world, travel's large.